a Lingen diagram is used for. So first of all we should know that what is a Lingen diagram. So a Lingen diagram is nothing but it is used for estimating the temperature at a particular metal oxides is reduced by another metal. So what it is says is, when let's look at this equation. When we have this metal oxide, we are combining these metal oxides and these metal oxides are reducing. This one is reducing from here, so this metal oxide is reducing at by another metal. So Mg magnesium is another metal and Cu copper is another metal, so it is reduced by this metal, another metal, then we are getting this product. So a Lingen diagram is nothing but the estimation of temperature at which a particular metal oxide is reduced by another metal. So from this we can see that our reduction is the most appropriate approach we can use for that. Like in electrolysis, there are only ions which are being moved from one position to another. Let's see in this one, like this is the positive anode, then it will become positive and an electron will become, and for example this is a negative electron, a negative cathode, then the plus will be gone and the electron will be also gone. In this general equation, the positive is going from negative and the negative is going from positive. So electrolysis, there's nothing happened as one metal is being there are no metal, there are only ions. So electrolysis is not the correct approach. Zone refining, in this we use filters to refine the particular molecule substance. For example, we have this in the pipette and this in a pipette, we have to refine them, so we can use filters and the general approach of refining methods. So there are no coppers are being reduced, so this is also not our approach. And as far as Van Arkel method, well, when the impure titration metal is heated and iodine at temperature of 250 degrees Celsius, volatile titanium hydride, that is TiL4, impurities are left behind and they do not react with iodine. The titanium tetrahedral vapor passes over a hot tungsten filament at 1400 degrees Celsius. So as from the definition we can relate that one metal is being heated with iodine. So iodine is not another metal. Okay, iodine is a substance, it's not a metal, and first metal is heated, then it is reacted with iodine. So that is not where we want to use our Lingen diagram. We want to use our Lingen diagram where two metal oxides are being reduced by where one metal oxide is being reduced by another metal oxide, another metal. So that's why we are using reduction. If we would have oxidation in here, that would be also not our solution, because the metals are being oxalated and combined in that procedure. In reduction, these metals are being reduced. So it is a general simple approach. You need to remember this for the exam point of view.